Check out our new e-commerce site. Create your account. Enter your information. And register. Log in with your email and password to access all the available products. More than 60 categories. How to shop. Choose the products from featured products. Go directly to the category. And register search for it in the search bar. You can also add it to your wish list and buy it whenever you want. You have the option to make an offer. Check and process your order with us. If you have a quota, you can apply it before processing your purchase. Log in to www.IGTuning.com and start shopping now. IG Tuning Miami.